officially open starting today, November 27, up until January 10 of 2021. Midori Clark will be having this Taiwan Food Festival. Most of the food here are Taiwanese inspired. Of course, may mga ibang insertion pa rin yan ng like breads, Asian cuisines. Most of the dishes are expected to be Taiwanese inspired. It's gonna be an amazing night for us. Sabi ko nga, it has been a long time since we went out. Thank you so much, Midori.
Thank you.
Let's get inside. This is the start of the journey. Kuha na tayo ng mga pagkain. If I may ask you, so kanina lumibot tayo, ano yung sa tingin mo na mag-enjoy ka talaga dito?
Yung mga skewers sa labas.
Skewers doon sa labas.
Saka yung mga dim sum.
Wow, dim sum. Mamaya kain dyan chicken feet.
Sige, try natin.
So mapapakain kaya natin siya ng chicken feet. Best seller dito yung chicken feet. Anyway, okay, let's go. Alright, so this is it. Meron tayong Cantonese street food station. Of course, hindi mawawala yung barbecue. Going here, meron tayong deep fried section. So yeah, we have some deep fried. And then lastly, meron tayong mga dim sum. So we're gonna try their dim sum. Okay, so I'm gonna try yung pig blood cake and what else?
Chicken feet.
Chicken feet. Order please. We are at the VIP 1 room. Actually, napaka-thoughtful ng management ng Midori for our own safety and as well as security. So they allowed us to dine here dito sa VIP 1 nila, VIP room 1. Just a disclaimer, I mean, this is the perks of wearing papaya.
Thank you po.
Soup first. So one of the dishes that they want us to try, yung kanilang oyster omelette. So if you notice guys, it doesn't really look physically appealing, but ang lasa daw nito is really, really good. So I wanna try this one. I wanna get first yung kanilang oyster. So check that out. Oyster. Oh wow. Really, really fresh. Really fresh. Of course, yung may egg na mismo plus yung mga oyster. Oh, look at that. Let's eat it. Amazing. The rice is very, very sticky. Comparing it to our siguro bringhe, I think this one doesn't have yung parang gata. The way they set up here is someone's helping you when you magkukuha tayo ng pagkain. So they make sure na not everyone touches yung mga utensils, mga ganyan. So may mga kasama tayo dito na sila yung nagsaserve sa atin. What we're gonna do is we're gonna roam around and have a tour. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga available na dishes ngayong Taiwanese Street Food Festival nila. So this section right here is the dessert station. Yan. So meron din silang fruit station, of course. Kasama dito yung meron tayong halo-halo, ganyan. This section right here is yung mga main dishes naman nila. And then on my right, this one, I think this is one of the highlight of this buffet, no? Meron silang Tainan seafood soup, which is yung kinain natin. Actually, na-try natin to kanina. They also have the Tainan beef soup. Very rare Taiwanese soup that are available dito po sa Midori. And then right here, meron tayong mga Japanese food, of course. Hindi mawawala yung mga sushi natin dyan, yung mga rice rolls. Hindi mawawala yung bubble tea, which kung saan nagsimula or originated yung mga milk tea natin dito sa Pampanga. So yeah, meron tayong authentic bubble tea. We got our pig blood cake. We're going back to our room. Kapala, nasa tayo? Toscani Dining. So this is inside Midori Clark. Inside, of course, they are practicing yung mga social distancing guidelines natin. As well as, of course, yung mga iba-iba pang mga safety and health precaution guidelines natin. Sumusunod sila dyan. Alright, so eating chicken feet
Challenge.
outside sa bahay challenge with my wife. So this is Tuscana Midori. Once again, thanks so much Midori for inviting us. Okay.
And for letting me experience this.
Later on, she's gonna try as well yung kanilang, this is
Pork blood.
pork blood cake.
Masarap ba ito?
Oh, masarap yan. Ooh, it's still steaming. Look.
Parang okay naman.
Oh, it's still steaming.
Namasok na ako.
Ako naman, the way I eat it, I put the entire food sa bibig ko and then you parang you clean it inside your mouth.
So wala na? Wala ka na?
Diba? So, fun fact, according to our orientation, yung chicken feet has loads of collagen. Yeah. So, collagen is actually perfect for your skin. Anti-aging. So, kung ayaw mong tumanda, kain ka ng kinalkal. Kain ka ng panamanok. Alright guys, so that was a wrap. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the night,
Yeah,
Mami?
I do.
We enjoyed actually. Thank you so much Midori Clark for inviting us. So again guys, if you're interested to dine dito po sa Tuscana restaurant nila, it's a buffet right now up until January 9 or 10 I think. Ang theme nila ay Taiwanese Street Food Festival. So most of the dishes are inspired by the Taiwanese culture. And of course, may mga iba pang dishes tayo dyan like Asian. They still have pizza, they still have Japanese. So again, if you're interested to, those kind of dishes, buffet style, unlimited style.
New normal style.
Yeah, the new normal style. Make sure to check out Midori Clark. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Hindi yun.